We are committed to developing health professionals of not only competence but compassion.
Creighton University Pharmacy program has been teaching students online, doing distance learning for over 20 years now. Currently, Arizona, unfortunately, is ranked as number 9 state with the most shortage of healthcare professionals in the nation. So I feel that graduating from the Phoenix hybrid pathway would allow you to give back to that community.
Students completing the pharmacy program at Creighton have a wide variety of opportunities for clinical experiences. The longevity of our program has allowed us to develop relationships with clinical facilities across the country.
For the hybrid student, a clinical education would consist of completing introductory pharmacy practice experiences and advanced pharmacy practice experiences.
Faculty in the health sciences programs at Creighton are here because they want to teach. They're invested in the success of their students.
Creighton Phoenix Pharmacy Program allows us as faculty to know our students on one-on-one levels because of our small class size. This way, we get to know and understand what the student needs are and making sure that those needs are met. Being that medication expert and helping your patient better understand their medication, their disease state outcomes, it is very rewarding for you to know that you're making an impactful kind of touch in your patient's life and helping them become healthier individuals.